So how we doing? It's Todd, your slightly average American. I'm just gonna briefly talk about the new hobby that I've picked up. Some people call it a lifestyle. Um, so anyway, I have a 1932 Ford Phaeton. So it is a roadster. Some things you need to know about when you buy an old car is one, it's a used car. Um, in every sense of the word. This car has a fiberglass body, so that's new. These are original or old doors. Corvette rear end, so it's old. The frame was hand built. This car was built in 2018, so it's fairly new on the build side. And the engine is a 1968 Ford 302. And the guy that I bought it from, he let it sit for about 4 years. So that means just about all the gaskets are dry and it likes to leak oil. So I have all kinds of parts over here on my shelving unit and all my little bins that I keep all the little parts to that all have to be replaced. So over the next few videos, I will definitely be going over some of the repairs and of course some of the cool stuff there is to do and fun things to when you're driving a hot rod. So in the next I don't know, 5-6 videos of putting all this stuff back together, we'll get to know a car a little bit better. I am no means a professional mechanic, so we'll leave it at that, and we'll just go on this lovely journey of getting this 32 roadster back on the road. All right, see you then.